In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OBS to Riverside.fm using OBS Virtual Cam, as guided by Trent Knox. The process may seem complex at first, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth setup. To begin, let's navigate to Riverside.fm. Once you're there, head over to the studio section of your dashboard. This is the place where all the magic happens. Whether you're planning a podcast or a live stream, this is your command center. With Riverside.fm providing high-quality, studio-grade recordings, you're setting yourself up for professional output. Next, you'll want to initiate the recording process, and to do that, you'll need to click on the Record button. It's straightforward, just a simple action to get the ball rolling. Initiating the recording will ensure that all the video and audio you intend to capture through OBS will be ready to be recorded directly onto Riverside's platform. Now, let's address the camera settings. This is an important step, as you'll be configuring the video input to align with what you've set up in OBS. Click on the camera option in your Riverside studio. This function guides you through which camera feed should be live during your recording or broadcast session. Familiarizing yourself with these settings will make it easier if you need to switch inputs mid-session or troubleshoot any issues with video quality. Following that, you must ensure that OBS is set to run its virtual camera. If you haven't installed this feature yet, you'll need to add it from the OBS settings, as it allows OBS to act as a webcam source for other applications. OBS Virtual Cam can be started by going to the Tools menu in OBS and selecting Start Virtual Camera. This capability is crucial as it enables the live feed from OBS to be transmitted to Riverside.fm. Finally, with the OBS Virtual Camera active, you'll go back to Riverside.fm and select OBS Virtual Camera as your video input source. This connects the two platforms, allowing the customized overlays, transitions, and scenes you've set up in OBS to be utilized in your Riverside session. Now your OBS setup should appear as the source feed in your Riverside studio, giving you control over the visual presentation during your session. And there you have it. With this easy setup, you can leverage the powerful features of OBS alongside Riverside.fm's robust recording capabilities. Whether for high-quality video content production or enhancing remote interviews and podcasts, this setup empowers you to elevate your projects. Remember, practice and experimentation will help fine-tune your configurations, maximizing output and creativity. Thanks for watching, and